Hi there! If you are looking to add a reminders widget to your iPhone lock screen, you are in for a treat. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and keep track of your tasks at a glance. Widgets let you access all the important info you need without having to unlock your device fully. Let's dive into how to add a reminders widget to your iPhone lock screen. Open Settings. Scroll down. Then tap on Wallpaper. Select your lock screen wallpaper from the middle left. Next, tap on Add Widgets. Try to look for the apps you want. If you cannot find it here, scroll down further. Select your Reminders app. Tap and hold the icon, then drag it to your widget adding space. If it says No Reminders, that means there is nothing set to remind you of. To use the details, you need to add something to your Reminders app. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a Reminders widget to your iPhone lock screen. This way, you can quickly view and manage your tasks straight from your home screen without needing to unlock your device. This awesome feature will definitely help you stay organized and keep on top of your responsibilities throughout the day.